In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best pizza ovens in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which pizza ovens is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Bighorn Pizza Oven. Enjoy pizza in just 60 seconds. The gas pizza oven that has 23,000 BTU burners can reach a maximum temperature of 662 degrees Fahrenheit within 5 to 7 minutes. Once you've made an entire pizza at a maximum temperature of 1,180 degrees Fahrenheit within 60 seconds. The shape of the furnace chamber in an arc of this pizza oven from propane will keep the heat in circulation and help circulate energy to its highest level. Unique design. Bighorn outdoor propane pizza oven constructed from high-quality stainless steel specifically designed for outdoor use. Its solid construction makes it easy to dismantle for cleaning and moving. The gas pizza maker portable can be assembled and put in place within only a few minutes. Great features. A built-in thermometer allows you to determine the internal temperature of this gas pizza oven. 2 knobs control the temperature of the pizza oven. Easier to light. 4 anti-skid feet safeguard your table and ensure the pizza oven that is propane can sit on top of your table for a long time. And the 5 holes on the door are for monitoring the status of the combustion. Multifunction pizza oven. The dimensions that this propane pizza oven has is 22.5 by 22 by 19.5 inches. Here is the item number 4, Bakebros Pizza Oven. World-class rolling fire pizza oven reaching high temperatures of more than 932 to create the authentic 12-inch Neapolitan pizzas in just 60 seconds, giving the best pizza crusts that you can enjoy in your backyard, and even further. Portable and easy to take anywhere with an infrared thermometer, retractable legs, and a bag for carrying. Our pizza oven is easy to transport and set up. Simply press the button to begin cooking. Instant gas power. The gas ignition built-in provides instant flames and an adjustable dial for heat control to make roasts, fish, meat, and other vegetables. ETL certifiable. Quality security is guaranteed for every cookout. The body insulation design helps reduce burns to the skin and prevents overheating. This device guarantees 100% safe cooking. Deluxe gift combo. Every pizza oven comes with 1 pizza stone and a pizza peel, 1 travel bag, a gourmet recipe, and a user's guide. Everything you need to improve your pizza making experience. The item number 3, Ooni Karu Pizza Oven. Great pizza. A slogan. The Ooni pizza ovens are governed by we believe that everyone needs great pizza. Our Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel pizza oven was designed with this sole goal in mind. It's done in 60 seconds. The oven can be ignited by your Ooni Karu 12 with wood or charcoal straight from the box or using an Ooni gas burner attachment, available separately for cooking with gas. It is estimated that the Karu 12 will be ready to cook in just 15 minutes and will reach 950 degrees and cook authentic stone-baked pizza in less than 60 seconds. This gives you time to enjoy your backyard and eat delicious pizzas. Hot new features. The custom-designed fuel tray that maximizes the flow of air and produces a massive explosion of searing flame that lets to the Ooni Karu 12 pizza oven to keep the high temperatures at a constant level and loaded with genuine charcoal or wood without any ash to wash. Ultra portable. Weighing just 26.4 pounds, this pizza oven can be moved easily, however it has the same force and heat as a larger wood-fired pizza oven. Next level pizza. Improve your pizza game by using one of Ooni's best loved ovens. You can learn to become a master pizzaiolo. You may also discover that you could make use of your pizza oven to cook fish, steak, or vegetables in our cast iron varieties of cookware. Number 2 in our list, Ooni Koda Pizza Oven. Gas powered. We believe that everyone is entitled to great pizza. Our Ooni Koda 12 gas pizza oven was designed and built with this sole goal in the back of our minds. 60-second pizza. It can reach temperatures up to an incredible 950 degF, which is twice the temperature of a standard home oven. This Koda 12 indoor-outdoor pizza maker is ready to use in just 15 minutes and will bake authentic stone-baked pizza in only 60 seconds. This gives you the chance to enjoy your garden and enjoy delicious pizza. Simple to use and ready to use straight off the shelf. Just unfold the legs and then put the pizza stone baking board, connect it to a gas tank, and you're all set to start. With immediate gas ignition and a quick cooking time of your favorite pizzas in a matter of minutes. Perhaps you'd like to grill your fish, meat, or other vegetables? If you combine Koda 12 with one of the Ooni cast iron cooking tools, it will become more than just a pizza maker. The top one in our list, Ooni Fyra Pizza Oven. The perfect pizza, a slogan that Ooni ovens adhere to. We believe that everyone needs excellent pizza, and our Ooni Fyra Pizza Oven has been designed and built with this goal in the back of our minds. It can be done in 60 seconds. The innovative pellet hopper passes through pellets of hardwood for simple cooking. Ooni Fyra Pizza Oven will be ready to cook in just 15 minutes, reaching a mighty 950 degf, and cook authentic stone-baked Neapolitan pizza in 60 seconds. This gives you more time to lay in your backyard and enjoy delicious pizza. Enjoyed all over the world across the globe. It's the Ooni Fyra 12 is the proud successor to the Ooni 3 Pizza Oven, which was the first pizza oven that was powered with wood pellets. We are now selling our outside Ooni pizza ovens across more than 50 countries in the world. Join the global pizza party. Ultra portable, weighing just 10 kilograms and having legs that fold up to make it easy to store and transport, we've created Ooni Fyra 12. Ooni Fyra 12, our most portable countertop pizza oven for outdoor use yet. It lets you take your pizza to wherever you'd like to enjoy it. Ultra efficient, the Ooni Fyra 12's carbon steel shell provides the highest heat retention. When combined with the inherent efficiency of wood pellets, this provides an exceptional cooking experience, maximal burn time, and minimum energy loss. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best pizza ovens amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.